How to download old Counter-Strike. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily download Counter-Strike 1.6. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. So the first thing you will need is the Steam application on your device. If you don't have it, you can go on your web browser and search for Steam download, and you will see this very first link, that is the official Steam's website. And once you get here, you will have an option to install Steam to your device. It will download the installation file, and once you open up the installation file, it will automatically open up this right here. Now what you need to do is head over to your Steam, and then from here you just want to make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you just want to search for Counter-Strike here on the search bar, and once you find Counter-Strike, this is the one you're looking for. Counter-Strike includes two games, and the old one is this one, Condition Zero. So from here you just have to click on Buy Counter-Strike and add it to cart. If you want to know more about the game, you can just find it right here below. And to access your card, on the top right you'll see this card option. Just go ahead and click on it. Then from here, make sure that this is selected for my account, or if you're gifting it to someone, you can set it as a gift as well. Now go ahead and continue with payment. And Steam has provided us with various payment method. You can choose whichever one is suitable for you. For example, if you want to go with your MasterCard, you can click on it, enter your card details like your card number, your expiry date, and then your security code. Then you just have to enter all of your billing information and continue. Then you should be able to easily purchase the game. And once your game is purchased, you just want to head over to library and it will be added right here. Then you can just click on this download button to install the game and enjoy it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.